Hello Sathiyo, good morning and welcome to our YouTube channel. So now start the first question of EQ current affair on 19 December 2024. The first question is, Dash has become the third largest exporter of a smartphone in the world. So India has become the third largest exporter of a smartphone in the world. So the right answer of this question is India. Now the China is the China is the first smartphone exporter in the world and Vietnam is the second. So you should also remember that the China is the first exporter of a smartphone in the world, and the second position is Vietnam and third position is India. Now you can remember these things. Next question is, the Ram Temple project in Dash received the prestigious Sword of Honor award from the British Security Council. तो राम टेम्पल जो बन रहा है वह कहाँ बन रहा है? अयोध्या में. तो द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज अयोध्या. द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड फ्लोर इंक्लूडिंग द टेम्पल इज शिखर. तो नाउ यू शुड रिमेंबर दैट द अयोध्या द राम टेम्पल प्रोजेक्ट इज received sword of honor. Now moves to another question. In December 2024, Team Asia won the first TT Waldner Cup 2024 in Norway. Waldner Cup is related to beach sport. So you should choose the four answer from the given option. That Waldner Cup is related to beach sport. The right option this is about table tennis. Waldner Cup is related to table tennis. Now Monica Batra was the only Indian player to be included in the tennis Asia team Asian team. You should remember this point also. The World Cup has been instituted by Swedish table tennis great Jan Ove Waldner. You should remember this point. Now goes to next question. Who was won the 2024 FIFA Men's Player of the Year award? The answer of this question is Vinicius Junior. Vinicius Junior won the 2024 FIFA Men's Player of the Year. तो Brazilian and Real Madrid football player Vinicius Junior won the 2024 FIFA Best Male Footballer of the Year award. He is a Brazilian and Real Madrid footballer. Now you should remember the winner of 2024 awards were announced and felicitated at a function held in Doha. Doha is in Qatar on 17 December 2024. Now you should remember that Best Women Player award won by Spain and Barcelona midfielder Aitana Bonamati. You should also remember Aitana Bonamati, Best Women Player from where? So he is from Spain. Aitana Bonamata won the Best FIFA Women's Player Award for the second time in a row. Aitana Bonamati was part of a Spanish team that has won the 2023 FIFA Women World Cup. Now goes to another question. Where did Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar inaugurated India's first Museum of Geology? The answer of this question is Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. The Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar inaugurated India's first Geoscience Museum in Gwalior, that is in Madhya Pradesh. So you should remember that this is inaugurated in Gwalior, or Gwalior is in which state? That is in Madhya Pradesh. The National Museum Council has prepared India's first ultra-modern and amazing geoscience museum in collaboration with the Gwalior Municipal Corporation. The museum provides solution of geology-related queries. So you should remember these things about. Now moves to another question, that is, where has Uber recently launched bike taxi service Moto Women for Women? So the answer of this question is Bangalore. To enhance safety and inclusively in urban locality, that is on Shahri-Karan, Uber has launched a pilot program that is Moto Women in Bangalore. So you should remember pilot program that is Moto Women in Bangalore. The answer of this question is Bangalore. Now moves to another question. In which year was the Padma Shri awarded to late tribal environment activist Tulsi Gonda recently? So in 2021, Tulsi Gonda has known as Brix Mate, Mother of Trees, passed away on 16 December. Honali Vijay of Karnataka, that is Karwar district, and his age is about 86 year old, and he get Padma Shri award in 2021. Famous for planting nurturing million of trees in her vicinity. That he is famous for nurturing and planting millions of trees. That is why he is given for Padma Shri award in 2021. And growing up in the wilderness by the age of 12, at the age of 12 he grow the plants of plant tree. So this is for helpful for our natures. Now moves to another question. When is International Migrant Day observed to create awareness about the flight that is miserable of migrants across the world? It is 18 December. Every 18 December International Migrant Day is celebrated to create awareness to know about regarding the plight of migrants across the world. The theme of this International Migrant 2024 is honoring the contribution of migrant and respecting their right. That is to respect the migrant people and the honors, मतलब सम्मान देना है उन्हें, क्या करना है, respect देना है. The UNG has proclaimed 18 December as International Migration Day on 4 December 2000. So you should remember that this international observed every year on 18 December. Now moves to another question. Which city has made it a crime to give alms or money to beggars from 1st January 2024? That is Indore. Indore District Administration has announced from January 1st, 2024, FIR will be registered if anyone is caught giving alms to beggar. The answer of this question is Indore. Now moves to another question. Who has recently been awarded the Jamsetji Tata Award? That is Kiran Majumdar. Vicon Group chairperson, that is Kiran Majumdar, was honored with prestigious Jamsetji Tata awarded by the Indian Society of Quality for her pioneering role in the voice science movement in India. The answer of this question is Kiran Majumdar. The award is named after Jamsetji Tata, who is considered the father of modern Indian history. The award was announced at the ISQ Annual Conference 2024 held in Bangalore. The institute by ISQ in 2004, the Jamsetji Tata Award recognized business leaders who have made a significant contribution to Indian society. Now moves to another question. Which Indian legendary cricketer has announced his retirement from the international cricket? That is Ravichandra Ashwin. Now the Ravichandra Ashwin announced his retirement from international cricket. He played 106 test match and took 537 wickets. Ravichandra also played 116 ODIs and 65 T20s. In total 765 wickets in international cricket team. Ashwin is the India's second most successful bowler after Anil Kumble. Ashwin took 537 wickets and 106 test match, and average is 24. Now moves to another question. Which country has recently signed the International Solar Alliance Framework Agreement? That is Moldova. Moldova has also officially signed the International Solar Alliance Framework Agreement, furthering its commitment to promote renewable energy. The concept of the ISA came into being on the sideline of COP21 in Paris in 2025 as a collaborative initiative between India and France. So now the answer of this question is Moldova. Now moves to another question, and is the revision. Now first question. Dash has become the third largest exporter and a smartphone in the world, that is India. Now we also should remember the first is China and second is Vietnam. Now goes to another question. The Ram Temple project in Ayodhya received the prestigious Sword of Honor award from the British Security Council. Now moves to another question. In December 2024, Team Asia won the first TT Waldner Cup 2024 in Norway. Waldner Cup is related to which sport, that is table tennis. Now moves to another question. Who has won the 2024 FIFA Men's Player of the Year award, that is Vinicius Junior. Now moves to another question. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar inaugurated in the first Museum of Geology in Gwalior, that is in Madhya Pradesh. Now moves to another question. Where has Uber recently launched bike taxi service Moto Women for Women, that is in Bangalore. Now moves to another question. In which year was the Padma Shri awarded Juliet tribal environmental activist Tulsi Gonda recently in 2021? He is renowned. He works for the growing of plants and tree, and that is why he has awarded with Padma Shri award in 2021. When is International Migrant Day observed to create awareness about the plight of migrants across the world? That is on 18 December. Now moves to another question. Which city has made it a crime to give alms or money to beggar from 1st January 2024? That is Indore. Now moves to another question. Who has recently been awarded the Jamshedji Tata Award? That is Kiran Majumdar Shaw. Now moves to another question. Which Indian cricketer has announced his retirement from international cricket? That is Ravichandra Ashwin. Now moves to another question. Which country has recently signed the International Solar Alliance Framework Agreement? That is Moldova. Now this is the last question. Hope you enjoy the session. If you are helpful from this session, then you should like, share, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.